be lit up right around here somewhere. Let's do that again. Cut it off. Cut it on. Once it's like that, take you a flat screwdriver and turn it back all the way to the right. Right off. Then you can put your switch back. Millimeter deep socket, 1/4 inch drive, a 4-inch 1/4 inch drive extension. These 4 right here, one goes into here where the headlight switch was. This one is on. Yeah, it figures. It's all part of. And take this whole thing and put it up to the connector. Bring that out and do and not no wiring issue. All right, guys. You just